If you follow my channel, you know that I've been gone for a bit. So, this is what happened. Those that follow my channel and watch my computer build videos, you know my latest one is a mini ITX, which I also call black and blue. It comprised of Asus X570 iGaming motherboard. It's a ROG Strix ROG, whatever, however they call it. I don't care anymore. I will get into that in a minute. So over the last year and a half, I've been having problems with it restarting, and it got a bit more frequent over the last couple months at least. So I was trying to get it to stabilize because it was causing problems with my streams and just daily work on editing videos, things like that. So I started monkeying around in the BIOS, did everything I could. Well, finally, this all started becoming a real big problem at the beginning of June. So what I did is I sent it into Asus. Asus, I'm not using you again. I don't care if you're actually going to take care of my motherboard or not. I'm done with you after 20 some years. So those that are watching, just take note of that. They will not take care of you. Also take note that UPS has a new policy on what's going to be covered and what's not. So if you pack your own UPS packages, be aware if you do not put insurance on it, it's not covered. So just be aware of that. Bring your stuff in, have them pack it, and then your package will be covered. So with that out of the way, there you go. If you want to hear more about the Asus issue and see the emails that I had to go through just to get it taken care of, we can go do a Gamer's Nexus type of deal where we go through all the steps I had to go through just to get a motherboard that I didn't damage, and according to Asus, it came in undamaged, so it must have been damaged because they never damage anything. So if you want to see a full video and my frustration about the whole situation, just put it in the comments below. Now, with the motherboard out to Asus, I had to find a replacement. Now, this replacement here is an old X370 motherboard I had with a 1600X processor and 16 gigs of RAM of the original Gskill Flares that came out when that whole system came out. Yes, I got it back in 2016, I believe it is, when that whole setup came out. So I was an early adopter on that one. So going forward a little bit, I decided to go ahead and use that and get that going. Well, I was having some problems. Once again, if you do follow this channel, you saw my streams, they were dropping out, either for software issues or the computer just completely restarting on me. I was able to take the Gskills that I had for the X570 motherboard and put it in there, and it improved it. I thought I had everything all taken care of and it was running smoothly. Matter of fact, I even did a test stream that Saturday, and then Sunday when I streamed, it went ahead and just conked out on me, for lack of a better word at the moment. So I had to find a solution, and this is where I kind of disappeared about mid-June. and I did something I thought I'd never do. I bought a high-end AM5 setup, different brand. I went with Gigabyte. It's a really nice system, and it's one that I'm editing this on. I can tell you already, I've been playing around with it. I've streamed a couple of times, and it is smooth. So if you want to know more about my current setup and what I'm doing with it and what it all entails, once again, please put that in the comments below. Now, I'd like to say thank you for all of you that have stuck behind me. And with that being said, this is Chris saying out.